I know skincare is expensive, and that is exactly why I do this video every single year. Some of us wait all year for Black Friday deals, especially on products that are real investment pieces. So I reached out to my favorite brands to get the best deals I could. And I'm also doing a beauty device giveaway in this video, so definitely stay tuned for that. Right, let's get straight in to my favorite brands. We're going to start off strong with Allies of Skin. Now, I think I've spoken about these guys more than any other skincare brand on this channel. To me, their formulas are just next level. They're supercharged, multifaceted, and they just work. So their sale is on right now until December 2nd, and everything is 30% off. My hero product is the Peptides and Antioxidants Advanced Firming Daily Treatment. I mean, it has 13 brighteners, 9 antioxidants, 7 peptides. It is literally Superman in a tube, and it's pretty much all any person needs. Now, my second favorite is the Multipeptides and GF, which stands for Growth Factors Advanced Lifting Serum. This reduced my wrinkles in 6 weeks, and I have the video to prove it. Plus, if you use my code, you will get a freebie. I'm pretty sure that it is the lip balm, which I absolutely adore and I take with me everywhere. So if you've ever wanted to try Allies of Skin, now's the time. Okay, next we're moving on to Bloomeffects. They're a Dutch brand that harnesses the power of tulips to make regenerative skincare. So I visited their tulip fields this year, and it was the most incredible experience. I am completely obsessed with these guys. So my hero product is quite possibly the #1 desert island pick. Like, if I could only have one product for the rest of my life, it would be this. It's the Royal Tulip Nectar. She's thick and glossy and brings dull, dry skin back to life overnight. She melts like honey into the skin and just seals in moisture beautifully. There is nothing else like her in the world. My second favorite from these guys is the Black Tulip Eye Treatment. Not only is it super juicy and hydrating, but this applicator is so special. It cools everything down. It massages the skin. It's just like a little match made in heaven. Their sale runs from November 24th to November 29th with 30% off site-wide. Plus, they're offering a free bonus. If you spend over $100, you will get their free sunscreen serum, and oh my gosh, it is divine. So I'm just gonna ask you guys. So I'm really cold. It's freaking freezing in Ireland right now. For some reason, the house isn't as warm as it usually is. So I put on my little wrap thing because I'm cold. I'm cold, folks. I'm cold. And Gary thinks it looks dumb on camera. He says it looks like I'm getting ready to go outside, which obviously I'm not. And I would wear this inside, which I normally do. So please tell me, guys, does this look weird? Okay, next up is Calecim. They are a stem cell science brand that completely changed my hair and also saves my skin about once a month. We're gonna start off with my top pick, and that is the Professional Serum. It's the little pink one, and it is my first must-have from Calecim. It is the only product that I put on my face when I'm microneedling. It helps the skin recover faster, and it helps to stimulate collagen production. But then there's also the advanced hair system. And guys, this genuinely stimulated new hair growth for me. And yes, I have the photos and the video to prove it. I have these little hairs that just sprouted from the front of my face. It's like a little miracle worker. So their sale is on now, and it runs through December 1st, covering both hair care and skin care. So their offer is a gift with purchase. The more you spend, the more you get. So for every $150 you spend on skincare, you get a free professional serum, the little 5 ml guy, and I think that's about $115 each. And for every hair system kit, you can choose either 2 of the additional hair system ampules, or you can get their restorative hydration cream. Plus, and here's the beauty of Calecim, my code stacks on top of this. So if you use my code, you get an additional 15% off. This is definitely the time to buy Calecim. I always have these 2 products in my house. Do you even know what I'm talking about?
No.
Okay, you're just gonna interject that. Okay. So there is no way I'm making a video without educated mess. I love the founder, Alex. I love their formulations. I love this brand. They just do things differently. So their sale is on right now. Everything is off 30%. Now my first pick is the Freeze Frame Peptide Serum. It firms, smooths, and supports the barrier, and it is magically super light all at the same time. That means it layers beautifully for the skincare maximalist in your life, like me. And the research results, I mean, bring it. Now then my other favorite is the Hair of the Dog Mask. It's a rescue treatment that instantly revives stressed or dull skin. It's like a hangover cure, but for your face. It's a fizzing oxygen treatment that gives the skin a fresh burst of energy. It's like a party on your face. And I'm totally obsessed. Oh, and I'm just gonna throw it in there. I'm testing the new eyelash serum. We'll see how it goes. So next we're moving on to InnBeauty Project. This is a brand that to me delivers luxury textures without luxury prices. I have two firm favorites from these guys. First is called Elastic Skin. It is their firming and plumping growth factor serum. It's a silky, lightweight treatment that has peptides, growth factors, and brightening botanicals. It gives your skin this instant juicy look with the long-term benefits of lifted and smoother skin. This just makes my face feel bouncy and alive. The second product is the Extreme Cream, which is thick and nourishing and brilliant for repairing a stressed or over exfoliated barrier. These are both an absolute delight to use without a premium price tag. So they're both on sale now through December 1st. If you spend $50, you save 20%, and if you spend $100, you get 25% off. I always have a stash of these two products in my house. Okay, next up is OneSkin. Now I use all of their products, but if I have to choose two, I would start with number one is the body supplement because it literally got rid of my crepey arm skin. No lie. And next would be the eye supplement. Now I use this every day. I use this every morning and I have for months and months. It contains the highest level of their OS1 peptide, which reduces senescent cells, those pesky zombie cells that terrorize all the healthy skin cells around it. So their sale is on from November 24th to December 1st. And when you spend $150, you get 20% off. And if you spend $200, you get 25% off. And if you spend $300, you get 30% off. The more you spend, the more you save. I always buy OneSkin during Black Friday. Okay, next up is a new love in my life. This is Sachi Skin. Now it's only early days, but I have fallen hard and I feel it's important enough to get them into this video. So I was introduced to Sachi by my pal Cecilia over at My Fading Skin, so she deserves a big thank you. It's not often that I introduce you to brands without a ton of usage, but these guys deserve to be on this list. There are two products that have completely bowled me over. The Peptide Pro Resilience Serum Concentrate. It is a super lightweight serum that soothes the barrier, it protects, it hydrates, and it calms the skin. The texture is beautiful and it's great for sensitive skin. But there's their new product that is the Future Veil Firm and Repair Peptide Cream, and let me tell you, this is chef's kiss. It has growth factors and DNA repair enzymes to restore, and then it has calming ingredients and barrier protectants. You guys, this is so luxurious. It is so elegant. I have honestly gone a little goo-goo for this. I'm telling you, better watch out, Augustina's bought her. So their sale is on now until the 30th of November. These prices are in UK pounds. So if you spend £90, you get 15% off. If you spend £150, you get 20% off. And if you're over 200, you get 25% off. Plus you will get their cream cleanser. They're just so good. Okay, last of the skincare brands today is True Botanicals. I adore this natural luxury brand. And without a doubt, my hero product is the Renew Pure Radiance Oil. It has been in my routine for years because it keeps my skin soft and nourished and glowing. My mature skin absolutely drinks this in. I cannot express how much I love this product. And my second favorite is a newbie I just discovered this year. It is the Bronzewell Regenerative Glow Drops. So if Pure Radiance Oil and a bronzer had a baby, it would be this. So it gives this warm, healthy tint while treating it with antioxidants and botanical nutrients. I just love this product so much. I use it on its own. I mixed it with moisturizer. I mix it with foundation. It just gives you that healthy, healthy glow. So their sale is on right now until December 3rd. Everything is 30% off, but the more you spend, the better off that gets. So if you go over $400, you get 40% off. And if you go over $1,000, you get 50% off. Now we move on to devices. These are the tools that have made a real difference to me and to my skin, and I use them all. So first up is CurrentBody. Now they have a ton of devices, but there is one at the tippy top of the list for me. It is the LED hair growth helmet. I was waiting for some sort of reaction from Gary there. Okay, we're going to keep on going. So I have been using this device for about a year and a half, and I can honestly say I have new hair in areas that I've not treated with any other product. That's how I know this works. And this is the truth. Now, this is a very expensive product, but with my discount code, you get 20% off. That's about a savings of $150, which is huge in my opinion. I love this device and I use it almost every day, right?
Right. Yes, you do, Mary.
So the next device sale I want to share is the Dermrays Revive. This is a salon grade 1064 nanometer home laser device that rebuilds collagen, smooths fine lines, and fades dark spots without any downtime and zero pain. Like, it has a regular spot in my weekly routine, and I think it's incredible. It's made a huge difference to my melasma, and I can see the wrinkles decreasing. Yay. So the sale is on right now and you can get $150 off with this code. Now, it would be a crime to have a Black Friday deals video without Maysama. You know they are my go-to for LED and they are having a cracker of a sale. So right now, if you spend $100, you get 30% off. But it gets even better. If you spend over $600, you get 50% off, and that is huge. Now, I absolutely would be buying the Head to Heart LED set. This combines the Prana face mask with the chin to chest LED mask. Both of these contain their pulse light technology, and treatments are done in 6 minutes. Now, if I'm not mistaken, the cost for this set is about $710, but with 50% off, it's only $355. I mean, that's incredible. It's the biggest sale they've ever done, and it's the biggest sale I've seen here for Black Friday. If ever there was a time to buy Maysama, it's now. Now, the next product is one of those that I didn't even know I needed until I got it. It is the Ring Air by Ultrahuman. This fitness ring is a data gold mine that helped me really learn more about me. So it gives real-time tracking of sleep stages, HRV, skin temperature, recovery metrics. It's super lightweight and really comfortable to wear. I mean, I sleep in it. I do everything in it. In fact, I feel naked without it. And I learn more about me every single day. So the biggest sale they've ever had is on right now through December 2nd. If you use my code, you will save 30%. Now, this is the one that I have in, I think it's the rose gold. I originally had the regular gold one, and I feel like this just disappears a little bit better. I like the rose. Okay, guys, now it's time to talk about ZIIP. ZIIP is the gold standard in at-home microcurrent, and I adore the ZIIP Halo. It lifts, it defines, it brightens the skin using both microcurrent and nanocurrent technology, and nobody else is doing that. So with my discount code, you can get 20% off, and the code also gets you 30% off of the gels. Now, my personal favorite is the silver gel, but they all work beautifully. And I have a gift just for one of you, my followers. I am giving away a ZIIP Halo. I think everyone should have a ZIIP in their lives. So this one is boxed up. It is ready to go. All you have to do to enter is like this video and leave me a comment below. Tell me what you love about Christmas, or just say hi and tell me where you're from. I'd like to know where the farthest place is. So I will use a random selector to pick a winner. Now, you do have to be subscribed. So I will announce the winner next Sunday, November 30th on my community page. So you have to make sure you have the notifications on and remember to go and check that out. So if I don't hear from you, I will go on to the next name. Now, there are two other brands that I want to showcase here today. The first is my pillow. It is my Sleep and Glow. I do not get a good night's sleep without it. Mine is called the Ala, and it is specifically for back sleepers. That's me. It cradles my head just perfectly, and it's the perfect support for my neck. It is honestly the most comfortable pillow in the whole wide world. I have one here in Ireland. I have one at my parents' house in California. I mean, my only complaint is that it's too big to travel with, and it's just a big shame. Now, if you can't sleep on your back, then I would go for the Omnia. Now, I used this for a good year and a half before I was able to master the art of back sleeping. Now, the Omnia has open areas on both sides of the pillow. And what that does is remove the face smash, you get when you lie on your side. It's just bad for our posture. It's bad for wrinkles. It's bad for puffiness. This pillow alleviates all of that. So both of these pillows, in my opinion, are worth every freaking penny. I will never be without my Sleep and Glow. So their sale is on now until November 30th. If you use my discount code, you will get 15% off anything on the site. I do have their silk pillowcases too. And the very last brand I want to include is a supplement company called Cymcorp. I've been using 3 of their products for about the last 6 months, and I keep reordering. So the first I want to talk about is called the GSH complex, which is a glutathione supporter. So glutathione is one of our body's most important antioxidants, protecting our cells from oxidative stress and supporting the liver as it detoxifies everyday metabolic waste. It also helps our immune function and keeps inflammation in check, which is why low levels of glutathione are often linked to fatigue and slower recovery. But this product is not a supplement that contains glutathione. It's not adding glutathione to your body. It's helping your body create it on its own. This is a combination of 3 amino acids that our body needs to produce glutathione intracellularly. That's a very hard word to say. So regular continuous use of GSH gives your body the ability to produce its own storage of glutathione to be used whenever necessary. So it's a powder. I mix it in every morning with a bit of orange juice and off I go. But here's a plus. It turns out it contains about 10 grams of protein. So that's good when I'm trying to hit those protein goals. And the second product is the Triozyme complex. They support digestive health by delivering a blend of enzymes that help break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats for smoother digestion. It promotes a healthier nutrient absorption and it supports gut well-being. And then there's an added bonus that they are super high in fiber, which is something I really struggle to get a hold of. Now it's funny because I didn't read the instructions though, and I didn't know they were chewables. And they are massive. And I nearly died trying to take them on the first day. And then I found out they're chewable and easy peasy. So these 2 products are buy 2, get 1 free right now until December 1st. In fact, I placed my order yesterday. So guys, that's a roundup of the Black Friday offers from some of my favorite brands. I hope this helped you decide what's worth picking up and maybe saved you a bit of money along the way. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and don't forget to enter the ZIIP giveaway. Just leave a comment for me below and check my community page next Sunday. And let me know in the comments what you're shopping for or even if you're skipping Black Friday this year. I do love hearing from you. And if you're new here, think about subscribing. We'd love to have you. Thanks so much for joining us here today, guys, and we'll see you at the next video. Happy shopping!
Don't be so mean.
Not being mean.
That's mean.
I want to take a poll and just to
That's
see.
mean.
No, we're just going to take a poll and see whether or not
No.
you could be totally right and I could be totally wrong.
Uh-huh.
YouTube thinks you're going to like this next video. Let's see if they're right.